A story. Robbie Rabbit learns to be responsible. This book is retold by Miles Kelly. But first, I'm going to show you my book. Robbie Rabbit learns to be responsible. Robbie Rabbit lived with his father, mother and little brothers. One Sunday, while all the brothers were playing, Mother called for help. Robbie did not go. Mama Rabbit wanted to teach her babies the importance of being responsible. So she decided to give each other of them a job. Robbie was given the task of dusting the house. Robbie was irresponsible. He thought his task was not important and did not want to do it. In evening, when mother investigated, she found that all her other babies had done their task. Only Robbie had not. Robbie, you did not do your work, his mother scolded, but the house looked clean, so I thought it is not so important. And look, the pig. His mother said, in fact, it was the most important task. Now your brothers will get a candy each and you will not. Robbie argued, but that is not fair. All these responsibilities are yours. Why should we complete them? Robbie stomped away in a huff and sat in the corner. He saw that his mother had to wipe her tears. Robbie's mother was very upset. She was tired and needed some rest. Robbie also realized that he had been rude to her mother. He begged his mother for another chance. Mother, you had to go visit Aunt Ellen. You go and give me a chance to make things right. Mama Rabbit said, all right, if you take care of all my responsibilities for one day, I will give you a very big chocolate. He said goodbye to his mother as she left for Aunt Ellen's house. Robbie went around the house and picked up the clothes. He put the dirty clothes in the laundry chute. Then he cleaned the house with a vacuum cleaner. There was rabbit fur everywhere. Robbie cleaned the rooms and made up beds. He had his grandma make lunch. He made sure that all his brothers ate their lunch. After they had eaten, he put the dirty dishes in the sink wash. Robbie was tired, but there were still some more responsibilities. He watered the plants in the garden. Then he collected the dry clothes from the clothes line. Grandma helped him to fold them. When his mother returned, Robbie was helping his younger brothers with their homework. He was very tired, but he did not want to show it. He rushed to greet her. His mother looked around in amazement. She hugged Robbie and gave him a biggest chocolate from the bag. Robbie saw that it was his favorite and jumped with joy, very joy. Hoo-hoo, I got a chocolate. Then he looked at his mother, said, "Thank Mother, today I realized that you have so many responsibilities at home, but you have never complained or looked tired. I promise to help you with the chores." His mother shouted, We will all help you with the chores." Mama Rabbit was very proud of her babies. So my story is now over. Hope you like my stories, but you also get these books, Miles Kelly books, and you have to be also responsible. I will also be responsible to my mother and help her with her responsibilities. Me also. I will be also responsible. So you also get this book. Look, it is a nice book. And this is a Miles Kelly book. So, hope you like my stories. Bye bye. See you next Sunday. Thank you. Sundays with Ridan.